welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin and his name is Brett. And in this video, I will create hand-painted hoodie for Ariana Grande. And she doesn't know about it. It is just a new video of my video series in which I create hand-painted clothing for celebrities because it is a fun thing to do. And I've already created hand-painted t-shirt for Billie Eilish and hand-painted hoodie for Selena Gomez. And if you haven't watched these videos yet, check them out. I will put the links to the description below. So in this video, I will create hoodie for Ariana. And I was trying to figure out what kind of clothing she would love to wear. I looked at her style, and Ariana loves to wear oversized sweatshirts and hoodies. So I bought this hoodie. It is a white oversized hoodie. Actually, it is not an oversized hoodie, it is a man hoodie in size large, so it will fit as an oversized hoodie. Wait, I will show you, I will try it on now. So as you can see, it's big. But I'll paint on it. I watched Ariana Grande's music videos to get some idea, and one music video catched my attention. God is a woman, especially this scene in which she sings in front of this creature. It's mythological creature, Cerberus, three-headed dog. So I decided to paint it on this hoodie, and I think this hoodie will be so cool. So let's get started. And first I put my hoodie on the mannequin, and as my mannequin is size small and hoodie size large, I have to use clothespins to fit it, otherwise it would be so hard to paint on this hoodie. And I begin to paint Cerberus. And as always, information for all my new viewers, this hoodie will be washable because I use fabric paints, and video about fabric paints I use you can find in the description below. I could paint same Cerberus as in the music video, but I'm an artist and I don't copy other people's ideas, so I paint my own design, my own Cerberus. I use just black paint to paint it, and it's more easy than I would paint colorful, and also it takes less time. It's like a pencil sketch, you know. I enjoy to paint this design so much because I love Greek mythology and it was my favorite book to read when I was a child. And also I love to paint all kind of magical creatures like this one, or Phoenix, or Pegasus, or Winged Lion. I have a lot of designs with such creatures and I think that they look so cool on clothes. Like my best designs are with magical creatures. And now I just need to paint details like teeth and eyes. It looks fierce, I love it! But of course, I can't leave it like this. It's too simple for me. And I painted Cerberus eyes with blue color for a reason. Because I want to paint blue flames near it. So let's add some magic to this design. So why I decided to paint blue flames? Because if it would be black hoodie, I would definitely paint red flames because I love black and red colors combination. But as this is a white hoodie, I decided blue flames will look more beautiful on the white hoodie. And of course, the design without flames was beautiful too, but I just want to show the most creative version of this design. So I paint flames near every head of the dog. And now I will just splatter black paint. And painting is finished. Yeah, I love it. It's so cool. And guys, wait, let me show you something. At the beginning of the video, I speak so confident, like I'm sure that I will create something cool, but actually I'm not. Every single time I have these doubts in my head. What if I will mess it up? What if I won't create something beautiful? Even I'm skilled artist, I'm so excited every single time. And when I have such result, I'm like the happiest person on earth. So guys, smash this like button and write me your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think? Would Ariana Grande wear such hoodie or no? Write me your opinion. And if you are new in here, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye. God is a woman. Yeah.